Lumos. Lumos. Lumos maxima. That's better. Now you can see me. Hello, I'm Hannah of Ms. Hannah Sings, and today, in celebration of World Book Day, we're going to be using the wizarding world of Harry Potter to help us warm up our voices. Are you ready to sing? So, the exercises we're going to do today are assuming that we've already warmed up our lungs, we've had a bit of a stretch, and we're ready to start the vocalisations side of our warm-up. For more information on the preliminary side of a warm-up, then sign up for my newsletter and you get a free 20-minute warm-up with me video. Anyone who knows me knows I am a massive bookworm, and in particular I love Harry Potter. So today we're going to be using the wizarding world of Harry Potter to help us warm up our voices. Our first exercise uses the tickling charm, Ricta Sempra, and it goes like this. Ricta Sempra. So a lovely rolled R at the beginning if you can, and on the way down we've got a nice ha ha ha, which works out these muscles here, which do a lot of the supporting for our breath and our voice. So it's really good for warming that up. Just before we sing, give me a ha 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 and feel those muscles engaging. Are you ready? Ricta Sempra. And then we can move that up a semitone. Ricta Sempra. And up again. Ricta Sempra. And we can keep moving that up as we warm up. Our second exercise uses the levitation charm, Wingardium Leviosa. And it goes like this. Wingardium Leviosa. And up a step. Wingardium Leviosa. And up one more step. Wingardium Leviosa. So let that sound flourish when you get to the top. It's your feather lifting up into the air and then gradually, step by step, floating back down onto your cushion again. Our next exercise is designed to help us work on our diction, the clarity of our words, and the Marauders are going to give us a hand with this one. It goes like this. Moony wormtail, padfoot and prongs, moony wormtail, padfoot and prongs. Lovely, make sure you get all of those consonants in there nice and clear. Let's do that one more time. Moony wormtail, padfoot and prongs, moony wormtail, padfoot and prongs. Let's move it up a step. Moony wormtail, padfoot and prongs, moony wormtail, padfoot and prongs. And up one more, are you ready? Moony wormtail, padfoot and prongs, moony wormtail, padfoot and prongs. Lovely, it's that padfoot and prongs that really makes it work, isn't it? Our last exercise today uses the unlocking charm, Alohomora, and it goes like this. Alohomora. So we've got a major broken chord on the way up, Aloha, and on the way back down we've got a dominant seventh, and back to our home note. Ra, Alohomora. And it's one to be really careful of our intonation, our gaps between our notes on the way down. Alohomora. Well done. Let's try it again a little bit higher. Alohomora. With each of today's warm-ups, you can use them starting somewhere moderately low in your range, but not right at the bottom, and just step by step move them up a semitone, just one tiny step, as we did today, to help warm up your full range. Thank you so much for joining me for this World Book Day warm-up with me. I hope you've enjoyed it. Let me know your favourite spell in the comments. Mine is Episky. Thank you again. I'm Hannah of Ms. Hannah Sings, and I'm here to help you find your voice. Knocks.